Good day, family, and welcome back to the Faith Table, where we celebrate faith, legacy, and all the beautiful stories that God is writing in our lives. And yes, you are noticing something different. Our sitting today is different. But one thing that is not different is me, your host with the most, Fumani Sono. And today I am joined by someone very, very special, someone who is new from the box, newly ordained, recently stepped into his sacred and most powerful space. Welcome to our show, Reverend.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sister Fumani.
Thank you for this. How does it feel to be officially ubitaniwa ku umfundisi with a full chest? Ingakanakani ku Mr. You know?
I don't know. I don't think there's a special feeling. So, I always say a calling is a calling. The only difference is but many people always called me Mfundisi,
Anyway,
reverend, you know.
yes.
Anyway, and what I used to do is still the same thing. But I think because there's few things it's a very special period that I'm in at this moment. This special moment Mfundisi, or to be called a reverend.
That's very special, Mfundisi. And on that day, weekend Leah Synod, how was that feeling? Because yes, you have been doing it for the past years,
Yeah.
if we should put it that way. But how was that feeling? Mirile stage, moderator, officially robing you into what you have been called for in this time of your life.
I think it was very emotional. I think we should never get used to spiritual things.
Yes.
At the end of the day. So I think it was emotional, very emotional for me because it's something that I've always wanted. So on that day, the 19th of October 2025, I'll never forget the day. Actually, the 19th of October 2025,
Yes.
so it was special on that day. And then he celebrated 150 Kirikenya Hina, PCSA. So I think it had mixed emotions, but mostly under emotional ngovu. It's something that I've always wanted, or I waited so long.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, that's beautiful, Mfundisi. And those that did watch the live stream on YouTube, and those that didn't, especially for those that didn't, who was the first person that gave you your hug, that gave you your kiss? For those that were not watching.
Yeah. Maybe I'm smiling because I'm still in love.
Yes.
But my wife, my beautiful wife, Riboningo, officially Slapian.
Yes.
She's the one that gave me the first hug, the first kiss on the day as officially a reverend. In Satwa mina, loin galong langa, matihlu ya mina, Riboningo Slatwan. She's a very special person in my life. I think she anga the first hug.
Yes.
Even the second hug, but somewhere somehow kube na hug ya mana mina. So the two special people up to mina, baba nyike that hug, and it's because the two of them, even though we're not dating by then,
Yes.
my now wife, I was a brother to her. She was ishbetanandisani ichangani shoka shingahlantswekangi unsupporting ngovu ka this journey. So that's really special ngovu kuba anyike that first hug and more especially the first kiss amahlweni kabani.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this year has truly been special for you as well, Mfundisi. You got married this year. You got ordained this year. Guys, he's taken. Please, Banwana youth, he's taken. And you are president, Yamatotana, wa EPCSA. So it's
Presbytery, yes.
Rent Presbytery. Corrected. Thank you, Mfundisi. How is that feeling? You are called for a higher purpose, I believe, and kurwala such huge responsibility on your shoulders at a very young age. counting when you were born to now, but then aka spiritual realm, I mean, as much as I might just be older than you, but you are my father. So how does it feel to lead people that are as old as your grandfather?
Oh, it's very difficult. It's very difficult, but I like the fact that you mentioned that word, the calling. And I always say God will never call you at a place where He will never give you the strength or the
Yes.
protection that you need. So, it's difficult ngopfu ku lead abantu labangakulu. I'm sure I can even give an example. Each and every career, ukuma kuri, when you are hired in a specific company,
Yes.
and then you start working there as a young person, the people that will feel offended ku ufikile is the older generation.
True.
And nzama ukukombisa ku lava nge le ku hi voneni sweswiwani, I know va nga twa nga ri it's a different case ka vufundhisi, but it's the same thing.
The same thing.
Because u fambisa vanhu lava nga na experience hinkwayo, you know, ka madodana va na experience ka kereke, va tiva swilo hinkwaswo. And you are just coming there, I mean, wo va na lembe u ri ka probation, and then officially umfundhisi. And when they chose me ku ni va president ya madodana around Presbytery, I was not even yet ordained.
Yes.
So it's difficult because even lava tiva ku swilo swo tala, but also it's fun for me. I am one person who loves, kumbe enjoys being in the presence of older people.
Yes.
Why? Because there's wisdom there. So that's why nirhandza ku famba ni pfuxela vanhu lavakulu ngopfu more than anything. Na la ni tirhaka kona ni rhandza ku tshama, hayi ku lava n'wana ni va pfuxeli, but ni rhandza ku tshama na vanhu lavakulukumba ngopfu more than anything, because that's where I get the wisdom.
True.
So it's difficult because you feel as if you are challenged at the end of the day. You feel as if they are not, they don't consider the change that you're bringing at the end of the day. Mara, it's also fun because at the same time you're learning. Kahle I can work under pressure.
Yes.
Loko hi la ku swi summarize hinkwaswo. So yeah, I got married this year, the 28th of June 2025. Ncatile, yeah, a hi catini mara mucato wa durha. Mani ta advise ku loko vanhu a va cati swi va switsongo, lava nga na mali va cata. There's always people that say to me, mfundhisi a hina swa mucato a hi nge endli at all. So ni tala ku va advise ku ri no, just have swilo switsongo, mi ta humelela. And yeah, I just forgot the other thing that you mentioned ku swi endlekile, but yeah, it's been that year, Sesfuman.
Yes.
It's been that year. I remember this other day, don't say that in the
Yes.
don't say that. Because I'm kind of go, hey, men can't celebrate. No. You can't say that. You cannot chase the celebrations away. You know? So, manamelo go one episode le one. Neswitwil manamina and karalang celebrate.
Yes.
Lemberale, I know it's November, na alaba sungwan foot kuya
Of course. Thank you so much, Mfundisi. Everybody has a story, be it in your career, be it in whatever it is that individually that we do. So we would like to hear your story. I know you started off as an engineer. Now you are called into ministry. How is that? How is the story from that young boy, Kamalamlel, to this man who is in Johannesburg, Soweto?
Yeah, the young boy from Kamalamlele. I from being national.
Yes.
When I was doing my grade 6 or 7, or ningeni Magangeni, my primary level, Magangeni Primary School, Kamalamlele. I still remember I was given an opportunity to share a scripture at assembly. And the scripture that I used to share, to recite in a proper term, akuri Psalm 100. So ani malama hlweni, magangeni they'll make sure kuri bafana bambala tie.
Yes.
Lava nga ngena magangeni ma Steve, bata ku mbala tie, uba presentable, policha titangu, So, and this day when I was given that opportunity, Psalm 100, give thanks to the Lord, all the world. Worship the Lord with joy. Acknowledge that the Lord is God.
Yes.
Yeah. So I was screaming my lungs out. thanks to the Lord, all the world. So I did not know kuri the people that gave me that opportunity babone yini. And why specifically to share the Bible, kumbe the scripture.
Yes.
Then after that, I think, okay, when I did that, I was in grade 6. Grade 7, I was given an opportunity to be a program director at some event about we Parents' Day. So they would invite parents, aka sukuleriane, and then the talents that we had.
Yes.
So I was the program director there. First ever program director ya ngwana. Kaka event liya. Again, I did not know kurvabone yini when they give me that opportunity. Now, fast forward, grade 8, I went to Shingwedza High School. One, when you go to grade 8, you go, yeah, I'm not a doctor.
Yes.
I want to be an engineer because
be a
from grade
lawyer.
8,
Yes.
you understand? From grade 8, we locked on with somebody.
Yes, and nobody in their mind would, well, rather not in their mind, but then at that tender age would wake up and say, myself, when I grow
Yeah.
up, I want to be a reverend.
No. I mean, come on, there's no money there.
There's no money.
Yes, so from grade 8, 9, 10, it was just me being in a shadow of a group of people. We want to be this, we want to be that.
Yes.
And then I forgot about the things that amagangeni vanganyika opportunity yakuni to present. You know, so grade 10, nisungula ku notice ku naswikota ku yimbelela. If there's things I do not love doing, but I can do, ku yimbelela. I can sing, but aniswiranzi. Niswendla emhoko vanhu veri Slatswana, yeah, can you sing for us? Mfundisi. Nikombela chorus. But since nisungula ku yimbelela, and then that calling ya Xikwembu ya ku u fane u va mahlweni ka vanhu, it emerged again. Loko nisungula ku yimbelela, I remember I was singing a solo by that time. And then ku va na the LCO. Then from ka the LCO teto hi sungula ku va hi kha hi preacher. So that boy from Magangeni a sungula ku emerge futhi. Grade 10, 11, 12. Grade 12, the principal called me this other day of sin bakuri Slatswana. There's this thing orange carpet UJ. We want to make sure that you go apply la layane. And then I said, okay, fine, apply yan. But yeah, mina grade 12 kan ka stuck on
Like in line, yes.
the principal applied on my behalf. Nikan ka stuck apply yin. So loko ni apply univenda, I think I applied for environmental studies, but it's all because anga stuck with the So I'm saying this because there's so many young people out there who do not know what they want to do.
True.
At this point. And Batswari sometimes they would say, is she wrong? And sometimes it's not wrong. It's just that at that moment, she unfold. Hence, I envy vanhu lava minkarhi yo tala hi swi vitana ku swa valungu, and a hi swa valungu, they always make sure ku sometimes va teka gap year.
Yes.
But swa va pfuna evuton'wini, you know, because that's why you say ni lava ku endla swa evuton'wini. So many of us hi endle ti-costa wrong because after grade 12 loko ti-results duma ni ya kona.
Yes.
And then u fika laha ti fika swi ku tsandza. But yeah, so grade 12 ni pasa. Loko ni pasa a na duma ka newspaper. Hi landa newspaper. Ni vuya ni komba newspaper mani. A va tsala vito la i va tsala na language loyi nga kuma distinction ka yona.
Yes.
A va tsali life, but a ku nga ri life orientation kuma distinction. Se ni landa statement. Loko ni landa statement ni vitana na le ofisini ku ri ya no leswi nga ku applyela it's fine u nga rivali ku va ku tekeni because I had received an SMS ku va ni tekile. And then yeah uta IUJ. And then when I went back home with the same message.
Yes.
Mani papa hellish the statement, I'm going to UJ to do industrial engineering. And let's do industrial engineering in Karwalo. I think I peak industrial engineering Karwalo. Yeah, naku endleni. So ni tala Joni la. Loko ni tala Joni hlanganisa shout out to Tatana Shandlale. va mbonisha ndlela loko va ku fika vona va nga hi amukela, you know, va sesimsaveni,
Yes.
vo va nga hi amukela, and then la va ri vona ku mageza ripfumelo mageza, va use khale and many more. So loko va hi amukela, mina in my mind kuna engineering,
Yes.
because when I left, my father said to me, hey, Rodzana cancer, uta isusa vusiwanini. So that statement, sisifumani, xi tshame enhlokweni ya mina for
Yes.
so many years. And xa mina a ku ri la ku susa vatswari kwihi vusiwanini. So first year loko ni tlhelela a kaya ni byela mhani ni ku eish mina ni twa nga ri nga ku ya vufundhisini mhani. The reaction.
Of course.
So my mother was like, no, you can't do that. You can't leave engineering, Rutan. You cannot. Sen chunga kuhlayeleliwa. Kuxavela masi.
Yes.
Wa ha ri tsongo. You know how parents are. Kuxavela
Yes.
masi wa ha ri tsongo. Ximbalo leswi u ta ni hakela. You know. So but abo swi mention hi mhaka mbilu ya vona, it was not at ease ku ri ni la ku ya avufundhisini. Then I had some conversation liya. I left Nibuya Joni without the conversation ku yi hela. And then I spoke to God this other day. Ni ku Xikwembu, ni la ku ya vufundhisini, but I don't think now is the right time. And because of finances, because na swi tiva ku loko no tshika lani ya le ni twa nga ri ni ta hlupheka, because almost everyone loko ni consulta ka yena, people will be like, Silatswana,
There's
come
no
on,
money there.
be serious. Engineering,
on now.
mfundisi.
Yes.
Yeah, unless loko ka EPC West, you know, and we thank God nowadays it's a different case. You know, afundisi ka kereke ya hina nowadays, Xikwembu xi hi pfune ngopfu. There's something that we're getting, and the pfuno hi va Kreste, you know, we should fane hi ba mavoko la swi nga kona. Lava nga tirha ku hi fika la hi nga fika kona hi tirheni. So the perception le a yi ri kona, a ku ri perception la ya khale ku vafundisi va
Yes.
hlupheka. You know, sweswi it's no longer man vona ni bala na tie na suti. It's no longer the
Looking
case.
dapper.
Yeah, he was one. So I said to God, I endly deal. Kushkwembu, nta hetisa engineering.
Yes.
Nta tira 2 years. Loko ni tira 2 years, I will accumulate whatever that you want me to accumulate, God. And then I'll come back to you. And guess what? I made the deal with God, but I never waited for his response. So I got me nan kamla na Xikwembu tsene.
Yes.
So in my mind I'm like, yeah, no, a big deal, sharp. Ni heta engineering ni tira kwala ni nga tirha kona. And then what people do not know, the last job I had antira aka SAB. A Dzwaleni.
Please.
Yeah, so so Dzwaleni ni swi tiva hinkwaswo, no ka ni nga but ni swi tiva hinkwaswo. Loko ni kha ni tirha ka SAB, that's when the magic happened, says Fuman. Because I remember I was in Polokwane, and there were times where I would go to the office, even if we were 8 hours hinkwayo without doing the work, ya engineering, ni va ni endli the work ya ministry.
Yes.
There were times where I would go antirweni, ni va ni ri afonini ni kha ni pfuna vanhu vakulu, sisifumana. You know, I don't know, there's people who would call me wa ku ri hey Silatswane hi twe rito ra wena, because I preach hi twe rito ra wena, hey ni hlangana na xiyimo so. And I'd get to that hi nkarhi wa ku endla engineering. You know, people would say abantu vitana mfundhisi khale na khale actually. Abantu vitana mfundhisi xitarateni xa mina ku na vafundhisi va 2. From a young age loko ni kha ni ya complex, I think from a grade 7.
Yeah.
Avata ku I am mfundhisi. A friend of mine said to me, Yosikhalela aku mfundhisi munhu ngumana a ri tsongo.
Yes.
Loko se a kulini a nghena vufundhisini mi nga swi vonangi, mi fane mi tivutisa. You know,
Yes, true.
so ani vitana mfundhisi. So even this time around, even though I was in engineering, vana va ta ku mfundhisi ni kombela la u nghena xikhongelo xo titsona mfundhisi, ni kombela mi nghena na mina. So I would spend much time ni kha ni titsona ni titsonela vanhu van'wana ni rivala hi swa engineering. This one, but everything was going
Yes,
well.
yes.
I was earning money. Speaking of money, I was the thought that I had, yako anam ningebi na mali. Exactly. We are like now. At that time, mali yako ya engineering kola angayivoni kola vlantis.
Yes.
I had money, but angayivoni. Asifani na switch. Just unayivona. And I guess I understand when God says, loko upfumela nokuvitana, ndakunyika hinkwaswo leswi u swi lavaka, u nge pfumali nchumu. I don't have everything now,
Yes.
but I have what I need.
You've got what you need.
Psalm 23. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not
I
want.
shall not want.
It means I have everything that I need, you know. So, until this day, I said to myself, Slatwan, you remember you said you made a deal with God. What if you did not make that deal with God? Or you did,
Yes.
and Xikwembu xi sungule ku hlayela, because me ante byela ku loko ni tirha ni va na mali ya kahle, but ni sungule ku endla P1 and P2 the practicals. What if God said that was 1 year for me?
Yes.
You know? And then say loko ni ya ka SAB, so she go, wow, so you 2 years.
2 years
Eh,
young winner.
yeah, swi helini, you know? So I was not happy. Aka lantira kona. Not to say ku mali ya nga ri enough. I had no excitement ya ku ya antirweni. But I was excited ku ri loko ni pfuka nampundzu ni ta khoma phone ni fonela swimanimani ku rito ra Xikwembu ri ri la na la.
Yes.
So I said to myself, stop lying to yourself. Just do what Xikwembu u swi tivaka xi ku vitanele swona. Went back to my parents. I said, here's your degree. Ni endli diploma ntle na endla na BTech
Yes.
engineering. I said, here's your degree. Ni mi famsi ti graduation timbiri.
What more do you want?
What more do you want? You know? Yeah. So I think from Magangeni, someone said to me, loko u lava ku tiva ku Xikwembu xi ku vitana leyi, or if you want to know something that you're good at, go and look at your report from crash kumbe
Yes.
primary. Ngopfu crash. What they did,
The
akuri ku
comments
batsala
there.
the comments.
Yes.
When I heard that thing, Nina such a report I grade R. I opened the report. Guess what? The report said, Rudzani is changa Rudzani in'wana wa kahle, wo rhandza ku pfuna vanhu, a rivala hi yena n'winyi. Exactly that.
Yes.
And ni hlayiso leswiwani years after.
Years later,
You know? So when you are called, you are called.
you are called.
And akuna xilo lexi nga ta cinca. So hikosi ni nga tshama hansi ni ku, you know what, I've always been called, and the struggles that ni nga hlangana na tona hi tete, but the struggles xikulu, it was when I announced that when ni announced ka family, then when the whole world knew ku ri ni lava ku ya ka journey leyiwani, it was not easy ku lala ntisifumani. I do not understand nyimpi leyi nga kona na vufundhisi yi le
Yi le
kwihi
kwihi.
a ximoyeni ngopfungopfu ka lowo biha, you know, but I now understand. I applied kerekeni va nteka, loko va nteka kerekeni, and then I remember this other day because now my parents were at ease. A hi kha hi lunghisa sweswi hi kha hi belela laha andlwini. Then ndisa na mina yin'wana yi ba xipikiri, yi kha yi bele yi ba xipikiri xi vuya la tihlweni lawani, xi fika xi nghena ndzeni ka tihlo.
Oh no.
Then it collapsed. That the following month, I had to go to an observation. Ampisana. Xipikiri xi nghena. Now, at that point in time, ni nge rivali because ani win, but ani swi twa ku va ri yini.
Yes.
When my mother was crying, laya va kha va rila, what she said was, yo n'wana mina va kereke va ta ni dlaya. And then hi kona ni nga swi vona ku, oh, number one va amukerile. Number two, she was saying ku va swi vona ku swi lava ku ni disturba ka jeni leyi ni
Ka
yaku ka
journey ya
yona.
n'wina, yes.
So she said, yo, va kereke va ta ni dlaya. Then va manager ku susa xipikiri lexiyani, I was fine, but ni vona partially ka tihlo leriwani ra right. A ni voni kahle. A ni vuli ku vanhu va ni jumajuma la ku fambeni
Please
la.
don't.
Yeah, na vona ku na matihlo ma moya lowo kwetsiwa.
Yes.
Yeah, so I went near observation Ampisana under the guidance of Mfundisi BP Baloyi, a very, very good man. Need only discipline.
Yes.
Come from this BP Baloyi. When I got ordained, he's one of the people that I sent a message to. Nugo, thank you so much for showing me the way. Kasi loko ntsala papila, nitsali under the guidance of Mfundisi AJ Mahakana. Papa mina, I always say, no papa. Lo noze nungu papa ne tin kabona. A very, very wonderful man. Mfundisi wa kahle. Waku unfumelele kuningana ka jeni lewa. Observation. Well, before observation, I didn't bush pikir.
Yes.
Kubi na case nyana. That's why I don't understand Satan shikwata yena lokumunhu ayi kumfundisini. Kubi na case nyana le ayita endla ku niya nikumeka ninga hayanga observation. But la ku cancer, you know, especially Mfundisi Mahakana na Mfundisi JJ Nyathi. The two ministers van approaching baku hey Slatswana kuna case ya so. Loko kumbe case is a big word, mara kuna problem ya so. And this problem we want to help you resolve so that you can karat, and they
Yes.
managed to help me. Bakulukumba labaya, I will never thank them enough. Bafundisi bamina. Na ba respect swinene because avalangusanga bona vinyi even though kuna problem leyo. So you in the problem leyo. After the two things that happened, says woman, I knew it's not going to be easy.
Yes.
I knew this journey is not going to be easy because sometimes you end like is the people that are closer to you. Sometimes you end like is the people that are within the church. Sometimes, but after the scenario I said, yo, it's going to be difficult. But at the same time, I said, hey, shouldn't
So serious.
so serious. Otherwise, I'm going to challenge. I went to UP 2020. Not the babies to online school because of COVID.
Yes, the COVID babies.
People say, hey, Mfundisi, how come distinction? I know there's nothing special. It was because I got COVID. You know, in those times, they would give you a test, open book test. And then you had to get a distinction.
Of course.
You know,
yes.
of course, otherwise, must be. So, and then, first year, second year, in Lago Cancer Nakambe, Mfundisi Maya is our deputy moderator. Banfuningofu na bona because angena kerekeleni vanyika kari wo ni trainer, you know, ni preacher kabano and all these things. Ni cancer also Mfundisi Mongwe. Na bona banfunini kunenda swilo leswi hinkwaswo. Yeah, so kuna vafundisi vo tala va nga pfuna loko ni ri xikolweni. Akwa ni nge va mention hinkwavo. But there's so many of them. Another church learning I'm for Braamfontein they would call each and every time when come la na bomfundisa la they do say ku Braamfontein they would call ku ri hi lava student minister tata preacher then loko uta ba ku bela tafula u tlhela u fumile because you are a student awu tolovelanga ma-1000 you know. So isifunda leswi la ku swi cancer guidance ya our general secretary Mfundisi Tidwai Sombana. So it was a long, difficult journey. If I told other people, if I was to be given an opportunity to choose again, says Fuman, I would have two feelings. I would not choose to be a minister again because of the challenges that I faced. But I would choose to be a minister again.
Yes.
Because of how I'm at peace. How I'm at peace when I'm helping other people. How I'm at peace when I sit down. And I'm happy today when I'm
Yes.
because hey, and you know it's just you lending an ear to the other person.
Yes.
So that's what I'm talking about. So that peace that I get when I'm there, I think it's the peace lenga kona aka Philippians chapter 4, verse 6. Peace that surpasses all understanding. You know, if you do something and you get that peace, stick to that thing. So yet it surpasses all understanding, because even though you are going through a difficulty,
Yes.
peace lia it surpasses even the understanding your difficulty. So angatalanga, because sometimes you become a human being wako yo shatika. Sometimes you become a human being yako yo look shanseni kansat, look shanseni ka bana, because you are not 100% there. You are not fully available. You are there, but ufundisile ukubitani if ubitani uta move because ubitani wanga ndawo yingo.
Kandawo yingo, yes.
You know, so isho leswi ifane kus amkela, and then peace le ifamba na yona. So fast forward, nokuma a letter from the general secretary bakuru no, you'll be placed Amidolen Zone 5. Shout out to the Defiance. Yes.
Clocked it.
A very special congregation. They're very close to my heart. The place we go na. Yeah, bakahle ngopfu. Swinene ngopfu.
Ikahle ngopfu.
Bakahle ngopfu. Yeah, so I think la ngafika kona.
Yes.
Ila ngafika kona. I think that's my story. Loko munhu la ku xitwa kahle xitori lexwana. U fana tshama hansi kahle na mina.
Yes.
But that has been the journey since 4 months. It was not nice, it was not good, it was a narrow road. It had thorns, but at the end of the day, I was working with Jesus Christ.
True.
Why niku ndlela le anifamba na Yesu? It's because I'm still standing even now. Not to say kuri lava nga standange ku. You know, the nice thing, the beautiful thing about Christianity is that when you live for Christ. Even when you die for Christ.
Yes.
So naloko vanga ri kona msaveni lewani, they are still for Christ. That's the beautiful part in Christianity lewani.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Mfundisi. And you've mentioned people that played a role in this ministry of yours, Mfundisi, your Mfundisi Mongwe, Mahakani, and the likes. So who are those unsung heroes? You've mentioned the ones, right? But then there's that one person, maybe angangeni kereke, kumbi ko la straten shangwena, someone that you grew up with or someone that you look up to. That is not necessarily in the church, but that one person that you'd like to give your gratitude to as well.
It's so many of them. Mara. Let me just mention two. Ne? Kuna munhu loyi, I think I always tell his wife ku wa swi tiva ku nuna wena role model ya mina na. And kusuka khale ni kha ni n'wi byela. And funny enough, I tata ni xandlala. So I even told him this other day, you know, I don't know, Mara. You know, when you look up to someone, not because imfundisi, but
Yes.
you understand? So Mr. Umboni Shandal, shout out to him. He's Shamampela. Naloko ntsamini ri nexe one pusha kulukumba. I mean, the fire that's in him. Yin pushing off even when I was still at Bramfontein Aga Youth. That fire, you know, Yaku, when you are given something, when you are given a cup, or we molder, you focus on the cup.
Yes.
And they were perfect, you know. So he's always been someone loy, kare kwan someone can follow. He knows and someone can rule. And I mean, if I no more apostle, you know, I know there's so many things that you do, but whatever that you do, that fireman na runs. And is someone learning at Taku, Ambeluni Amina. Even my wife knows. Kore that fire, nasulabo kun someone can banayon out on Jamina. Number two. Manamina. Manla banankano ne. Very stubborn. But mana mina ban fix la ngafika kona. And I'm saying this because valweni kunifika la ngafika kona. You know, as man, we do fight a lot. So ngamfundise futhi alwa swinene. But imunhu loyi na namutlha I always tell her ku, you know what, ni va byeli na before ni ku loko ni teka sati la ku teka sati ku fana na n'wina. And lately ni le ku voneni ka sati wa mina ku hayi man. I nga ri ni teke sati ku fana na mana mina. You know, so I man loyi through thick and thin babi kona. But I want to mention sisifumana ku ri hi ku ya hi mina loko ri vufundhisi bya tekeleliwa, if ministry is a thing that we inherit, and then I inherited my ministry from my mother.
From your mother.
I'm not scared to say that. Ni vula leswi hi ku I started listening to gospel music because of my mother.
Of course.
Hinkwenu, I mean,
all of us, yes.
Ungandweni Christ ambassadors,
Yes.
Rebecca Malope, you know, I started reading the Bible because of my mother. There is this dreams leti never kuna tona nowadays, ke khale ni kha ni va na tona. And loko ni sungula ku va na swona ni realize ku mana mi munhu wo lora, she has that gift of ku lora. Loko ba lora va fane ba fona. I also have that gift of no lora ni fane ku fonela. Many of my friends abandranzi. Loko no ku hlamula after a while ba vutisa ku lori yini. There's someone who knows no ku hlamula no ku
Yes.
Lora because and I say kunukuma that gift from my mother. So that's why nuku again mana mina ni va vitana ku mani Hazel mefru because our teacher ra Afrikaans amahlahla. Why ni va vitana mani Hazel kuma mefru? It's because kuna vana vo tala ava va coverini. Ansa man ba bona va ri mana mina va ri boxe. So you'll understand when I say this ministry.
Yes.
Ku ya mina ni kuma ka bona. Ka hina hi tele ne and hi tele ngopfu because kuna vana van'wana vele akule. Muti loyi a wu ta ku loko sweswi loko hi tlhela ku ya akaya a hi heli tiawara ku nga nghena n'wana. A fika ti tshamela nje and then we have to do what mani va swi endlaka.
Yes.
You know, hi n'wi hlayisa hi ndlela yaleyo. So rirhandzu leriya ra ku rhandza vanhu van'wana munhu a rivala yena yexe hi yena n'winyi. Hina a hi nga mbali swin'wana because a fa ku xaveliwa munhu un'wana kaya. You know, and I thank God because va teku hi wanuna wo twisisa. Papa mina, shout out to him also, va twisa swinene. A very, very wonderful man, va twisa swinene. A ku ta xaveliwa hina na papa hi pfumala because ku xaveliwa n'wana un'wana.
Yes.
You know, so that's why I say this love that I have ni kuma kona. So vanhu lava mbirhi lavona chamampela the fire leyi nge le ka tatani Xandla, Mr. Xandla, and the ministry leyi nge le ka mhana mi leswi hi lwisaku ngopfu sweswi i ku ni le ka ministry and na vona va ha ri munhu la nge le ka ministry, so we fight a lot because she has a say, I have my say. You know, so but yeah.
Do you ever get to remind your mom, yimina mfundisi la?
No.
Not in
Yeah,
an ugly way, but saying,
I think she's the one
"Ma'am."
that she's the one that comes up with a reminder each and every time. Kurudzani phela umfundisi. And mina kwata because at the end swa nikarhalisa because utokoma ku ukombela eka khongeliwa mfundisi.
Yes.
Ani mfundisi kaya, like I'm a
I'm a son,
reverend.
yeah, I'm a brother.
I'm a brother, you know, I'm a husband. You know, and somehow na sati wa mina ngari una swona nyana ku mfundisi ngopfu loko a vona matihlo ma vanhu when there's people mfundisi hi kombela xikhongelo baby ni baby.
Yes.
You understand? So yeah, hi vona va remindaku each and every day, but I always make sure kuri I do not fall under that trap each and every time na va byela hey ani mfundisi la.
Yes.
Mfundisi hi n'wina. So ni tshama loko va ka khongelo each and every time because va ntshemba sweswiwani sweswi ni le ka era leya ya ku ti-meeting a ti khomakhomiwi without me.
mi
You
nga
understand?
kona.
Yeah, no. Ti-meeting a ti khomakhomiwi hi mina ni nga na rito leriyani. Shout out to my brother, not to say that my brother anga yeah, my brother i munhu wa mavoko ni kule munhu wa mi i munhu is an agricultural man. You know, munhu loko hi lava nyama tihomu ku a sheko, so le ka admin
Yes.
hi mina le. So yeah, she's she's very fond of me mana mina ku vulavula ntiyiso and va ni respecta swinene and va respecta na position leyi ni nge le ka yona a ni va rhambini ku va preacher kerekeni one Sunday
Yes.
eMidlands and the report kumbe the remarks that I got are very amazing and then I decided I'm no longer giving an invite eMidlands because va ta ni tekela vana because she's also called.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right, that's beautiful, Mfundisi. And on a much lighter note, you are Rudzani, after all.
Yes.
Right. Over and above you having the calling, over and above you being Mfundisi. You are this boy, you are this man, you're someone's husband, you're a brother. So how is your life outside being Mfundisi? I know it is within you, but what does Rudzani like to do? What does Rudzani like to listen to? Do you like to listen to Tupac? I know that you are Hey Chiefs, you're a Kosi for life?
For life.
Yes. So what are the things that not an average person, or rather not someone that knows you, what do you like to do in general besides doing your ministry?
I love my wife.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Rudzani.
Yes.
Rudzani, outside of this calling, outside of church, is a very fun person. Vanhu vo tala va tshamaku na mina va tshama va kha va hlekelela a no tibela I know because ni rhandza ku laha ni va ku ni ri kona ku tshama ku ri na ntsako. So Rudzani I munhu la a ti rhandzelaku music a lot.
Yes.
I love music a lot. I can sing, as I said, like I don't love singing, but I can sing. But I love music. So wherever there's Rudzani, there's music.
Yes.
And when I say music, I'm talking about, because I remember what I'm going to say now. Discuss another attention.
Okay.
We're talking about gospel. Gospel is not a genre. You can have hip hop gospel.
Yes.
You can have house gospel. You can have, because gospel, imahungu lamanene. You know, and someone can kombisa very similar raku ubomi abumanga. And then someone can kombisa ku if you listen to that song, ukawufamba ka shotika.
Ishkongelo.
That's gospel.
Yes.
You understand? So, ndanza music swinene. Loko mo nghena ka YouTube music ya mina, loko vo ema vo nghena la ka YouTube music ya mina, the first thing they will get is clap and tap. Obviously, clap and tap.
Yes.
Bo ma CD ba sama Tshediso, bo Lijuela Mutheo, and all these things. Yeah, and Isaac and the Mighty singers, may his soul rest in peace. There's also Piva and Hosea. I know a lot of them.
Yes.
I think he passed on. Yeah, he did pass on. May his soul rest in peace. The next thing that you'll get is Shigaza. Oh, obviously.
Everybody is listening to Shigaza.
Yeah,
Shama 2K.
Shigaza, yes. But not specific. Yeah, Shama 2K. And you can say, the old Shigaza.
Yes.
No, not that one. But from the likes of, I'm a Benima Yangani fan.
Yes.
By the way. And this new kids on
Yes,
the blog,
yes,
Shigaza,
yes.
Shigaza Shama 2K. There is this song that I love so much. Just one. No kan gatukura man. But it talks about nkari. Uyimela nkari. Un'wana amsabe un'wana na un'wana misabeni. Ona nkari wa yena n'wana mane. It's a very beautiful song. So na chayisa whenever I feel down ku maybe some things swi tlheleli andaku. And then number 3, without my spirit of praise. Spirit of praise.
Yes.
You can never go wrong. Spirit of praise. Ni rhandza ngo spirit of praise. Benjamin Dube. Ni rhandza kusuka le ka ha ri na Vosoli Mahlangu, Vokeke, and that. And then number 4 uta house music. And when I also listen, I also love designing. I'm a graphic designer. Usually read the Malcolm's graphic designs, but now it's no longer graphic designs because we also want to venture other things. My wife is a very good cook.
Okay.
Shilungu ne cook,
Yes.
not cooker. Yeah, she's a very good cook, kumbe swi twa hi mina hi ku vhele na n'wi rhandza.
Yes, also that Mfundisi.
Yes, but we also want to venture aka swin'wana, so we're calling it the Malcolm's events.
Yes.
So ni rhandza ku designer, if I'm not singing, if I'm not listening to music, ni le ku designing. And to a point where sometimes hi va na mintirho yo tala ya ku nsati wa mina u pfala ku, because ni tirha na nhlekani, and these things ni tirha ngopfu navusiku.
Oh.
Ma swi tiva ku ni swi kuma kwihi swi tirha navusiku ka tatana Xandlala. So you see loko ni ku nkulukumba luya,
Yes, my apostle.
yes, maapostola u tirha navusiku, u endla mali navusiku. Hahani wa mina, shout out to her, hahani Matsiliso, va tshama kha vula va ku ma ni kurisi na ha ri ntsongo, a ni xavisa mimango amabazini na ha ri ntsongo. So I'd go out and xavisa mimango, mimango 5 rand. And people-
Mazambane.
yeah, no, yeah. The same kumbe fota na risimu.
Yes.
You know, so a va ta xava vanhu va ya kuma joni. Ni dyondzisiwe hahani wa mina va ni nghenisa ka business, so ni dyondza ku mali ya endliwa mali. If you want to make 20 rand, yi tele endla 20 rand. So that's why hi loku pushing ka issue leyiwani ya ku na designer. I love the invitation ta mucato wa hina hi nga ti endlela, the invitation, all the designs and everything. But lastly, I love having fun.
Yes.
And that's why mina na nsati wa mina hi rhandza ku endla swilo swa fun. And before I got married, I always thought swi lava mali. My wife is someone loyi i khala kha endla swilo swa fun. So ni n'wi vutisa kasi mi swi endlisa ku yini? Na yena a kuma ku a swi lava mali. You can have fun swi nga ri na mali yo tala.
Yes.
So I love having fun. I love going out. You know, I love going out. Ya ka tindhawu to hi tlanga na vana van'wani, not groove, obviously.
Yes.
Ni rhandza ku ni vulavula ngopfu. Ni vulavula ngopfu. Leswi nga endla ku se ni sungula ku venture na le ka timhaka ta vo MC.
Yes.
Ka ti-events tin'wana na tin'wana, because na swi rhandza ku vulavula. Maybe I guess that's why I'm very good loko ni mahlweni ka vanhu.
Yes.
So ni rhandza ngopfu ku vulavula. Lera ra ku amhleketweni ya mina se sifumani ne. I have this play where I have a talk show, and there's so many people sitting there. This is my Steve Harvey vibes.
Yes.
You understand? I love doing that. And it's really outside of ministry, and like ushikatsana ministry. Vanhu buka mcatweni ku nene fambisa mcato. Hey na minkosi. Vanhu buka ku the unveiling.
Yes.
The last unveiling nga ifambisa hi kona vanhu va nga ni kuma kona kasi va fambisa. So yeah, that's me.
All right, thank you very much, Mfundisi. And then moving into the vision also that you have in this ministry, what is your vision? You know, where do you see yourself? Where do you see your church? And where do you see your ministry as a whole in maybe not so far in the next 5 to 10 years?
Yeah, it's a very difficult question. I'm saying it's difficult because you know, when you're having fun or when you're enjoying that moment, you do not want to think about the future.
Yes.
Because singaku onela that moment. But vision ya mina ni va ni ri mfundhisi loyi a nga ta va a ri mfundhisi wa vanhu hinkwavo international. And used to make sense na an international minister. Hence loko ni ti vona, I still maintain, I see myself as someone loyi a reachaku each and everyone. Ni va mahlweni ka vanhu, ni va pfuna, not only the people that I know, hinkwavo ni va pfuna. Be it ni ta tshama ni kha ni mention ti talk shows, because
Yes.
be it the talk shows, be it hi ku va ka leadership kun'wana na kun'wana. I want to be up there ku ri ni ta kota ku va ni phula lava van'wana va nge le ehansi
Yes.
va fika ehenhla na mina. Yeah.
Thank you very much, Mfundisi. I've had a conversation with you at one of our Bible studies where you had mentioned we were going around the table, go as a person, what do you want the next person to pray for, you know, upon your life? And then what stood up for me from that conversation, Mfundisi, is that you said that you'd like us to pray for your ministry. Not to pray for you to have money or get a job or whatever the case, but you said your ministry. So what does that mean to you? Because that has stood out for me every time loko nikhongela for myself as well. And then remember that Mfundisi said, please pray for my ministry. What bigger picture that maybe the next person wouldn't understand you when you say pray for my ministry?
It's because, says Fuman, that's where my life is.
Yes.
So this prayer specifically, says Fuman, is to say, Nachaba, wherever I'm going, Nakuchaba.
Yes.
That's the truth about the whole situation. When I was preaching to Anchumaila, people will always envy where you are today, but the problem is not where you are today.
Yes.
The problem is where you are going. So, nina problem because na chabala ni akukona, says Fuman. That's when I say that's why I say I need prayers. I got this ministry. It's almost like I can feel kunyagwi. You understand?
It's been such a great honor having you. We've got a lot to talk about with such little time. Someone once said to me as well, mentioning that swa wachaba, you know, that if your dreams don't scare you, then you're not dreaming big enough. So it might be scary, but then those dreams are so big and you're well deserving of them, Mfundisi. Thank you so much. It's been an honor. And a great deal for me, considering the fact that I go to a church where you are my leader. Middleland Zone 5, thank you very much. You're such an inspiring person. I could listen to you talk the whole day.
Yes,
we can go on for days. Maybe we will have you for part 2 so that you can trend again for the rest of the year.
No. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much for having me, Sis Fumane. Thank you so much for this wonderful, wonderful moment on the Faith Table.
Table, yes.
Like the other show, what on Friday. You must subscribe, you must comment, you must also share.
Yes, please.
So that it trend EPCSA online.
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Mfundisi. With that said, guys, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share our page so that it can grow. Thank you very much. This is your host with the most, Fumani Sono, and from our faith table to your house is all love.